give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Hey YouTube community, how's it going? Dan here from Black Sheep Garage. I'm bringing you my first update on my build, and this time I'm building a Ford 1934 Ford custom pickup. Most of the body and the pieces are down a sink. I'm sanding them and removing the injector marks. I have the chassis that I've done, and the engine, and the two seats, and the floor of the car as well. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I still think I'm gonna weather the chassis, and yeah, basically that's it. I'll change up the camera and I'll talk to you soon. Well guys, so far that's what I have done. Sorry for bouncing the camera. So that's the chassis with the engine, with both axes in place. I try to do a bit of extra detailing on the engine, using wire, as you can see. Two seats, just did a plain, I don't know, yellowish color, kind of looks old. And this is the floor, didn't do much about it, just painted blue. That's the color of the car. Well, that's it. That wraps around my first update, and stay there with me and see you guys next time.